Construction and building maintenance technicians inspect, diagnose, and repair building issues in a number of professional settings. They may work in residential living facilities, hospitals, office buildings, hotels, schools, and more. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of general maintenance and repair workers is projected to grow 5% from 2021 to 2031. Remington College offers a Construction and Building Maintenance Technology Associate Degree program that can be completed in as few as 21 months. We also offer a Construction and Building Maintenance Diploma program that can be completed in as few as 9 months. Course topics include basic refrigeration theory, small power equipment and appliances, electrical, carpentry and finishing, and plumbing. Students of the Construction and Building Maintenance Technology program at Remington College train in a modern lab, supervised by industry-experienced instructors. More information about the Construction and Building Maintenance Technology program at Remington College is available at remingtoncollege.edu or by contacting an admissions representative today.